Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the background from an image in Canva in 2026. First, open Canva and create or open any design. Next, upload the image you want to edit and place it on the canvas. Now click on the image once to select it. From the top toolbar, click Edit Photo. In the editing options, select Background Remover. Canva will automatically detect the subject and remove the background in just a few seconds. If you need to make any adjustments, use the Erase tool to remove extra areas or the Restore tool to bring back parts of the image. Once you're satisfied with the result, click Apply. To save your image, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG as the file type. If you want a transparent background, enable Transparent Background. This feature requires Canva Pro. Finally, click Download to save your edited image. That's it. You've successfully removed the background from an image in Canva. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.